Everyone says it's easy. Just upload, just go viral, just make money. 6 months, 47 videos, and you're still invisible. You've sacrificed sleep, relationships, sanity, for what, 23 fucking views?
Maybe it's just not meant for me.
One click, it all goes away. The embarrassment, the failure, the top 3%, and still broke. That's when I realized the game changed in 2026. So I studied them, the ones actually making money, not the gurus, the quiet millionaires. And I found it, the pattern. 3 codes that separated the broke from the wealthy. Code 1, AI-assisted storytelling, but not how you think. You create the soul, the story, the emotion, the truth. AI handles the algorithm warfare. Every thumbnail tested, every keyword optimized, every second weaponized for retention. The AI told me what worked. I invested in production. Not randomly, strategically. First month with AI optimization, $847. Second month, $3,200. Third month, I quit my job. I handed in my resignation on a Tuesday. By Friday, I was free. Code 2. Community isn't your audience, it's your currency, your empire. Every comment replied to, every question answered. They don't just watch, they invest. YouTube was the front door. Discord was the living room. Patreon was the VIP lounge. They weren't customers, they were believers. And believers spread the gospel for free. They weren't customers, they were believers. And believers spread the gospel for free. AdSense? That's 20%. Memberships, courses, affiliates, merch? That's the real machine. YouTube ads, 4,200. Memberships, 8,900. Course sales, 12,400.
Code 3. Consistency isn't daily. It's strategic.
I stopped guessing what the algorithm wanted. I started predicting it. While others posted when they felt inspired, I posted when the algorithm was hungry. Unlimited kills urgency. Scarcity creates obsession. This wasn't a channel anymore. It was an empire. They called it luck. They called it talent. But this was engineered. The algorithm isn't random. It's a mind. And I learned to speak its language. There were hundreds of possible futures. Only one where I refused to quit. When millions listen to your voice, reality starts to move.
Code 4. Don't chase views. Control attention. Attention controls reality.
I wasn't guessing anymore. I could see everything. This wasn't just about money anymore. It was about impact.
Views fade, trends die, but legacy outlives everything.
If I could do this from nothing, imagine what you could build. This journey changed my life. Now it's your turn.
This isn't the end. This is the blueprint.
You're not ready yet.